Welcome back to Talk of the Town. If you have a loved one who maybe needs some extra help around the home, but you still want them to maintain their independence, stay tuned to our next guest. This is Fatu Cisse. She's with Cairasu Home Care. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
I really appreciate it. And I want to introduce people to what Cairasu Home Care does. So tell me a little bit about all the services that you guys offer.
Well, Cairasu Home Care, like you said, we are in-home care services. We help seniors to stay in their homes. That is our main focus, trying to help them to remain in their homes. That way they can remain in their homes independently. Right. And we do this by helping them with their activities of daily living, their personal cares. We do companionship. We do a whole list of things from home chores to meals, which are very important as far as our meals go. Absolutely. We actually do meal plans for them. Oh, nice. And we go over what kind of things what are their favorite meals, and what do they want to have throughout the week, and their caregivers will help them make those meals, and we help them with groceries. So aside from home chores, there are doctor's appointments as well, because some of them have loved ones away, like their adult children are not in town or are too busy. So when they have doctor's appointments, we can take them to that, and we can take them to other things in the community, so that they're interacting with people and engaging with their community.
I really like how personalized your approach is to each and every person, and kind of identifying specifically what they have and what their needs are, because it's not the same for everyone.
That is true. It's not the same for everyone. So when we have our clients, we go in and do the initial assessment. At that point, then we are trying to find out exactly what their needs are. Right. And sometimes what the clients' need are and what they think their needs are, it's a little different. Right. But we know that that's the generation that we are also dealing with. So once we do that assessment, we'll do a care plan to tailor it to that individual based on their needs. And then we'll also match them with the caregiver from that point on. And we also know as time goes, their needs change. So as we see those changes, we're adjusting accordingly so that it's what's right for them, the right amount of help.
Exactly. Yes. And how long have you guys been around?
We've been around for 5 years.
Very nice.
Few months.
There you
5
go.
years, few months, yeah.
Yeah,
so,
that's wonderful.
Yeah.
And I want to know, does Cairasu have a special meaning?
Yes.
It does?
Yes, it does. It means peaceful home.
Oh, I love that.
In Mandinka really language,
everybody wants, right?
That is true. And that's what we bring to people, so that they can live in their homes peacefully and safely too.
That's wonderful, because, I mean, ultimately, people's home is the space where they feel comfortable and where they feel safe and happy. And
absolutely. It's their familiar territory. This is what they know. This is where their support networks are around, as far as their neighbors who they know already, possibly their adult children who might be around. In a nutshell, it is their territory that they know. So moving is not easy for anybody, but especially for seniors, it's a difficult thing.
So if somebody's watching this and they're thinking, I could use a little help around the home, I could use a little support, or maybe people are thinking of a loved one who just having somebody there to bring them to doctor's appointments and help do the grocery shopping. What's the next step?
The next step would be just call us or email. That way we can connect with the individual and do the assessment, like I said, and take it from there. And a lot of times, too, it helps even to start at a little early stage, because a lot of times what we see happen is when people are in the crisis mode. They fall, or they're sick, or something. Not so pleasant. That's when they come in to seek help. We like to have them a little earlier than that, and they can start as as little as possible, as infrequent as possible. That way, they're building relationship with their caregiver, and their caregiver is getting to know their routine and as their need progress, of course, we're going to add more hours and more days, but then getting to know them before that crisis is important.
Such a great service, and again, I just love how personalized it is. You can give Fatou a call with Cairasu Home Care, and they will come over and do a consultation for free.
Yes,
so
thank
you so much for being with me today.
Thank you very much. Yes,
and thank you to all of my guests, and thank you for watching Talk of the Town today. You can find us next time only on Wisconsin's 57 Television.